Let me show you how to show or hide the battery percentage on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So simply go into settings, and then under settings select notifications and quick settings, and then you want to select status bar, and then here you should see the battery percentage option. So if you want to show the battery percentage, ensure it's toggled on, but if you don't want to show the battery percentage, toggle it off, and you'll only see that battery icon at the top there. So you can go a step further and select the battery style and choose whether you want it horizontal, just like that, or a loop. You can basically choose whatever option you want for your battery style. Or you can even select do not show, and it's only going to show the battery percentage. But that's basically how to show or hide the battery percentage on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.